Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to translate messages to any language while sending text on Viber. This feature is incredibly useful when you're chatting with friends or colleagues who speak different languages, allowing you to communicate seamlessly without switching between apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Viber and tap on the conversation where you want to send a translated message. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. The translation feature works in both. Once you're inside the chat, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see the text input field. Tap on it to bring up your keyboard and prepare to type your message. Now that your keyboard has appeared, look for the translate icon. This icon is typically located near the top or within your keyboard interface and usually looks like a globe or language symbol. Tap on this translate icon to activate the translation feature. This will open up the translation settings where you can customize how your messages will be translated before sending. Next, you'll see two language options appear on your screen. The first language field represents the language you're typing in. You can tap on it and manually select a specific language from the list if you prefer, or you can simply leave it set to detect language. The detect language option is particularly convenient because it automatically identifies whatever language you're typing in, saving you time and effort. After configuring your source language, move to the second language field. Tap on it to open the language selection menu. This is where you choose the language you want your message translated into. Scroll through the available options and select the language that matches your recipient's preference. Viber supports a wide range of languages, so whether you're translating to Spanish, French, Chinese, or dozens of other languages, you'll find what you need. With both languages configured, you can now start typing your message in the text field. As you type, Viber will automatically translate your text into the selected language in real time. This means you can see exactly how your message will appear to your recipient before you even send it, giving you the opportunity to make any adjustments if needed. Once you're satisfied with your translated message, tap the send icon to deliver it to your conversation. The icon is usually positioned on the right side of the text field and looks like a paper plane or arrow. Your recipient will receive the message in their language, making communication smooth and effortless. And that's it. You've successfully used Viber's translation feature to send messages in any language, breaking down language barriers and connecting with people around the world. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.